Welcome to the Cracking the JavaScript Coding Interview course. This course is going to be all about going over practicing interview problems for JavaScript coding interviews. Programming interviews in general are notorious for being hard to prepare for and taking lots of work. However, this course will help you prepare for the most relevant questions in your front-end or programming interviews in the most efficient way. The best way to prepare for programming interviews is really to practice, practice, and practice. I cannot stress this enough. Practicing problems regularly will be the most important thing you can do to help you improve your chances of exceeding at these coding interviews. The purpose of this course is to help you excel in whatever programming interviews you have coming up. This course will help you to learn the most relevant materials to excel in JavaScript interviews. It will help you gain more confidence by recognizing common patterns during coding interviews, and will strengthen you as a software engineer or programmer overall. The format of this course is as follows. Within this course, there are around 30 sections that each focus on a different interview question. Each section will start with a video that will ask you to complete an interview question. The question video will be very similar to how an actual interview question will be asked. And so there will not be much information supplied or hints given during this initial video. You will simply be asked an interview question and you are expected to solve it with a limited amount of time and a limited amount of information supplied. The purpose of this is to mimic how an actual interview question would be given to you. We really want to imitate the actual structure of an interview question so that when you go into the real interview, you are well prepared and you know what to expect. After the question video, there will be a section that contains the question source code so that you can look at it as you attempt to solve each question. So in summary, you should watch the question video and then take a look at the question source code right after, and then attempt to solve each question on your own before moving on to the next video. After you have attempted to solve the question, there will be a solution video for you to watch. In this solution video, we will walk through each question step by step and take a deep dive into the skills and techniques that are required to solve each question. And finally, each section will conclude with the solution code. This is for you to review and study on your own time. So as an example, this is the section for the hoisting question. When you get to this section, you should first watch the question video, then take a look at the source code for the question. And then at this point, you should try to solve the question on your own first before moving on. Then you should proceed to watch the solution video, and then you could take a look at the solution code that follows, and that's it. Every section in this course will follow this structure. No exceptions. It's that straightforward. And so this is how the entire course will be formatted.